Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at GBP USD, pound dollar on the 4-hour chart. Let's go ahead and start by mapping out the current range. So, as we've been saying, it's been increasingly pushing prices up. It's at the top of the current range. Let's go ahead and display the current ascending channel that it's in. So normally when prices are in the ascending channel, it's a high probability that it comes back and collects all the liquidity under here, but I'd be looking for any type of buying situation if it does come back and pull back into discount, targeting any type of these demand zones. But right now, no setup for any type of sales or any buys because because obviously for buys, I'd be looking for it to come back down at a discount and sell. It would be counter trading, which you can trade back down at a discount, but it's just been pushing up. Buyers are still in control, demand is still in control. Hasn't really been given back in this channel. It'll break out and then it'll continue going. So currently, with these 4-hour candles, still pushing up, possibly going to make another high, and form a higher range, make this range higher before any type of pullback. So we're just waiting to see if any opportunity presents itself. Euro USD, similar chart. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. It continues to push higher at the top of the range and in an ascending channel. And just like with GBP USD, high probability that it does come back in, take out the liquidity sitting under these lows. Hopefully, the target and discount a demand area, one of these demand areas, and then continue to push higher. But like I was saying yesterday, it could also just continue pushing forward because there's a lot of dollar news. Most of the euros reacting to the German bond situation, which made this impulse. Um, but also, we can be checking for any type of tariff today. There is the US dollar news, which could bring this back down, or it could continue shooting back up. So this is why I don't see any opportunity for either buying or selling. Any type of buying opportunity would come from discount, in my opinion, in order to continue pushing prices higher. Selling would be counter trading, which you can, like I said, sell back down at a discount, but it's just been too impulsive recently. So just be looking for any type of opportunity once the pullback happens or once it makes a decision on which way it's going to go. AUD USD, like I was saying yesterday, well, let's go map out the current range. Like I was saying yesterday, still inside the overall range, and it started to make a decent channel correction, bull flag. Waiting to see if there's any opportunity to buy, which this looks like it's time to buy. It's already gone back in a discount. Start to take out the liquidity up here. Looking for targeted liquidity up here and liquidity over this channel. But it does look in correlation with the other dollar pairs. And be careful of the news today about the US dollar and dollar index. But I will be looking for any opportunities to buy on a lower time frame, possibly when it takes out this high, breaks out of the channel, and then I'll be targeting the highs of the overall range. NZD USD, similar chart. Let's go to map out the current range. Just with AUD USD, came back into discount, started increasing prices, taking out the liquidity, didn't take out all the liquidity. The buyers here weren't able to take out the highs, so now we're in a descending channel, possibly a bull flag, waiting to see an opportunity, and the opportunity may be presenting itself now. Just like with AUD USD, it's just gotta wait to see how the dollar performs and the other correlation with the other dollar pairs. I'd be looking for any buys once it start breaking structure and taking out the highs and the liquidity above this channel. We have to wait to see if that opportunity presents itself. GBP AUD, and we can go ahead and map out the current range. making higher highs, higher lows, not giving any type of pullback. Well, no, not higher lows, just higher highs, range, higher highs, range, impulse range, impulse range. Now it's been in an ascending wedge. Price action is consolidating. It's gonna break out soon, either to the upside or back down. I'll be looking for, it's what I've been waiting for this price action to come back down into discount to present an opportunity to buy either to one of these demand areas. Hopefully, it decides to take out the liquidity under the wedge, and then I'll be looking for an opportunity to buy any type of bullish momentum shift once it gets back down into discount. But it could just continue pushing higher with all the news going around for the US dollar. These cross pairs will be affected also. GBP NZD is going to map out the current range. Similar chart. It's been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, ranging, impulsing, ranging. Now it's in consolidation with the ascending wedge, just like with GBP NZ and GBP AUD. We need to see it make a decision. Could possibly continue pushing higher. Then I'll just be waiting. I will be buying up here. I'll be waiting for any type of pullback. Or if it does decide to pull back, we're waiting for any opportunity that presents itself, any type of bullish momentum shift when it comes back down into discount, targeting any area of demand in order to take the prices higher. But we got to wait to see if price action, which direction it goes once it breaks out of this, the wedge. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.